This is a big milestone for India's maritime security. Prime Minister Narendra Modi all set to dedicate the three frontline naval combatants, INS Surat, INS Nilgiri and INS Wakshi to the nation. The commissioning will take place at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai today. The commissioning of these three very significant assets marks a leap forward in India's vision of becoming a global leader in defense production and maritime prowess. Ahead of the big event, Prime Minister Modi posted on X that the commissioning of the three frontline naval combatants will strengthen India's efforts towards being a global leader in defense and augment nation's quest towards self-reliance. My colleague Shiv is now joining me on the story. Shiv, this is definitely big news coming in if we speak about what's taking place with regards to India's self-defense. If you can break down for us what exactly will these naval ships do for India in the defense sector?
Well, these are world-class ships, let's make no mistake. In terms of weaponry, in terms of what they're capable of doing, in terms of their, their ability to deter adversaries. These are top-of-the-line ships that have been built in India for a long time now. In fact, amidst all the complaints one has as far as India's defense modernization is concerned, the Indian Navy has, done admirably well and gotten its shipbuilding act together in a very, very good way. And that's the reason why the Indian military shipyards are able to churn out ships at a pretty satisfactory rate. It, of course, needs to be higher, in line with the Indian Navy's larger vision of having many, many more warships enter service at a faster rate. Of course, competing with China is going to be a very, very difficult proposition, considering they're a much larger economy, hugely higher defense budgets, etc. But our ships, in terms of quality, in terms of capability, are I would say, far better than what China has produced. There have been problems with some of their ships in terms of quality control and such. But be that as it may, the great game in the Indo-Pacific is something where the Indian Navy is going to play a very, very big role. And therefore, executing, India's missions in this vast part of the world is going to, come down to naval assets at the end of the day. And I think ships like our very, very homegrown ships like the INS Surat and INS Nilgiri are going to play a very, very important role. So it's good to see the Prime Minister giving it that importance and being there for the commissioning.